Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. We use pork ribs about 1 kilogram, about 2 pounds. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me.
Salt.
What you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. 'Cause under
Black
the
pepper.
covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving on me. Yeah, loving on me.
Brush the ribs with vegetable oil.
Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Repeat the process on the other side.
Please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, try to
Pork
be
ribs are a source of
someone better than
protein,
you and
vitamin
I.
B12 and iron, very good for muscles.
Nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want
Toast
you
in a dry
lying
skillet on
next to
both
me.
sides.
Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. Garlic powder. Sweet paprika.
To start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun.
Herbes de Provence. Add some rosemary.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any.
Repeat the process on the other side.
Horizon in the far. excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel
Please subscribe to my channel.
wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today,
Wrap the ribs in foil.
not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
Bake in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. Young carrots. Carrots are beneficial for vision, immunity, skin, digestion, and heart health due to vitamins and antioxidants. Potatoes.
And not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today,
Potatoes are very healthy. They contain potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and support the cardiovascular system and digestion.
there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
Boil the vegetables for 8 minutes.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow.
Juice of 1 orange.
And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up
100 milliliters honey, 1/3 cup of honey.
just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind.
2 teaspoons of ketchup.
There's a new day, and it will
2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
There's a new day to get you through your struggles.
1 teaspoon of mustard.
I will always think of you and me. Darling,
Simmer until thickened for 7 minutes.
keep holding on through the
Drain the water from the vegetables.
up the fight, if only just for a bit.
Place in a baking dish.
New day, it is waiting for
Salt.
There's a new day, waiting around the bend.
Black pepper.
There's a new day, and it will restore us.
Dried dill.
There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
Vegetable oil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, top, bottom heat for about 20 minutes.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. You know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over
After an hour, brush the
Or
ribs
maybe
with the
just
prepared
lovers
sauce.
under the covers, baby, it's showing me how to be fearless. No one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Hey, loving on me. Maybe
Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, top, bottom heat for about 15 minutes.
just above it all, but I want you lying next to me.
1 bell
Yeah, I
pepper.
want your body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next
And did
to
you
me.
know that red
Yeah, I
peppers
want your
contain more
body,
vitamin C than oranges?
Your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, trying to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes
Cucumber.
I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Cucumber hydrates the body, supports skin health, aids digestion, is low in calories, and contains antioxidants and vitamins.
Sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
Avocado. Avocado contains healthy fats and vitamins, improving heart health and skin.
I want your body. I want your body. Yeah. Oh. And I want your body. You know I want your body. I want your body.
Mixed salad greens.
This is as good a day as any to
Salt.
start a building of life. The roads that lay open are many,
Lemon juice.
and the old one's gone under the knife. And I can
Add the juice to the olive oil.
beginning to thaw.
2 teaspoons of honey.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Drizzle the salad with the dressing.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.
Parsley.
And when I feel the wind on my
Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels.
all that ever was is a rise. Today,
Excellent result. Delicious.
there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live.
Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. Thank you for your comment, like, and subscription.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today,
Enjoy your meal.